रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम।
At that time, many Indians were engaged in the work of producing salt by draining seawater. The cruel British rulers declared that Indians must pay tax for extracting salt. Those who made salt without paying the tax were imprisoned. Gandhiji organized the people against this. They marched in a procession to Dandi beach, a place far away from Gandhiji's Sabarmati ashram. Taking a handful salt from the sea, Gandhiji said,
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू
even if these hands holding salt are crushed, we will not give up the salt.
राजा